In this video, we will ask and answer the question, what is a paragraph? As you can see, this is a paragraph. A paragraph has two things. First, you'll have a title for your paragraph. The title for this paragraph is Should Students Take a Gap Year Before Starting University? After the title comes the main body of the paragraph. It's now highlighted. This is the main body of the paragraph. A paragraph, then, is a group of sentences. This is a sentence. Let's highlight this. This is the first sentence. Recently, universities in Tokyo are proposing a new gap year program. After the first sentences, there are other sentences. A second sentence, a third sentence, a fourth sentence. It's very long. A fifth sentence, a sixth sentence, a seventh sentence, an eighth sentence, and ninth sentence. Often, paragraphs have between 10 to 12 sentences. The reason for 10 to 12 sentences is that usually this is the smallest number of sentences we can use to talk about one idea or one topic. So let's repeat. A paragraph is a group of sentences, and these sentences are all about one idea or one topic. This paragraph starts with the first sentence, and this sentence is called a topic sentence. The topic sentence has the topic and a controlling idea. The controlling idea is detail or information about the topic which we are going to read about more. In this case, the topic is not universities in Tokyo. The topic is a new gap year program. Let's highlight that in green. And the controlling idea, underlined, is that universities in Tokyo are proposing a new gap year program. So the other sentences are called supporting sentences, and they give us information about our topic and main idea. So, universities in Tokyo are proposing a new gap year program. Please tell me more. Okay, so students who pass the entrance exam for these universities are allowed to take a gap year before they start studying. Students who pass the entrance exam for universities in Tokyo can take a new gap year before starting studying. The purpose. So this word means the reason or the aim, the goal of the program is to allow students to travel and learn about the world. Educators argue that this system will give students important learning experiences. So again, more information. So the purpose of the system. What will the system do? The system will give students important learning experiences, and it will help break the system. It will help break the system. What system is that? Where students just pass to study tests. It would also encourage students to study abroad, join volunteer groups, or other activities that deepen their appreciation of the world. Critics believe that having a gap year is not good. They say that taking a gap year would make students less desirable for companies during job hunting season. They want to remind students it's better to follow the job hunting rules in Japan and not try to be different. Students who are different are unlikely to fit in with other Japanese workers. So, these sentences which are underlined are extra information about this gap year program. We call these supporting sentences because they give information about the topic and the main idea, or the controlling idea. The last sentence is usually called the concluding sentence, and often this is repeating the topic and main idea, or a comment on the topic and idea. This time there is no concluding sentence, and sometimes when you read paragraphs there is no concluding sentence because the conversation is going to continue in a new paragraph. So that is a short introduction to what is a paragraph. A paragraph is a group of sentences about a topic and main idea. They include supporting sentences, which give extra information about the topic and main idea, and sometimes they have a concluding sentence, and sometimes they do not. We'll talk about concluding sentences in a different video, but that's all for this video.